Welcome to Quizzy Fun Trivia, episode 90. If this is your first time playing, here at Quizzy, we play 3 rounds of 5 questions. Every round gets a new category. If you get all of the questions correct, that's what we call a Quizzy. Let's see if you get one today.
Round 1.
The category for round 1 is fictional character's job. So I'll name a fictional character, you name his profession. Here we go, question number 1. Clark Kent. And Clark Kent is a reporter. Question number 2. Frasier Crane. And Frasier Crane is a psychiatrist. Question number 3 of fictional character's job, James Bond. And he is a spy. Question number 4, Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot. And he is a private detective. And question number 5, the last one of this round, Richard Castle. And the answer is writer or an author. Moving on to round 2.
Round 2.
The category for round 2 is professions. So I'll say a job duty, you name the profession. Here we go. Number 1, a map maker. And the name of that profession is a cartographer. Question number 2, one who studies weather and climate. And that is a meteorologist. And question number 3 of professions, one who assists guests in a hotel. And that is a concierge. Question number 4, an expert in garden cultivation and management. And that profession is a horticulturist. Question number 5, the last one of this round, a lawyer in the UK who specializes in courtroom advocacy and litigation. And they call that type of lawyer a barrister. Moving on to round 3.
Round 3.
The category for round 3 is Plumbing Lingo. Here we go. Question number 1. What is the name of the tool used to tighten or loosen pipes and fittings? And that is a pipe wrench. Question number 2. What color is typically used to indicate hot water lines? And that color is red. Question number 3 of Plumbing Lingo. In plumbing, what does PVC stand for? And PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. Question number 4. What type of tape is used in plumbing to help prevent leaks in pipe threading? And that is Teflon tape. And question number 5, the last one of this round and the last one of this Quizzy. What is the name of the device that automatically regulates water level in a toilet tank? And that device is known as a float valve, also a ballcock valve. Hey, thanks for playing, everyone. I hope you have fun. Please join us every week for new episodes. We drop them every Tuesday. And please follow us on social media at Quizzy Fun Trivia. We'll see you next time.